Here is something some people probably do not know about the right way to use a scale. Turn the scale on. Now I'm going to put the plate on. You can see the weight of the plate is 437. If I press this button right here, it zeroes the scale. That means the plate actually no longer exists. So now if I want to weigh some plantain chips, assuming the spirit of my ancestors are telling me eat some plantain chips, so I want to eat plantain chips, I have it at 0. I'm just going to pour my plantain chips on. Now it's telling me I have 44 grams of plantains. But what if I just want to add a little bit of groundnut, just a little, to balance out the plantain? I can say, now the scale is back to 0, right? Even though I have a plate on it, I have plantain on it. Now it's back to 0, and I can easily weigh how much groundnut I want. So assuming I want 20 grams of groundnut, I can just pour, well, I have 22 grams. If I take some out, I'm at my 20 grams. The plate, I zeroed out. The plantain chips, 44 grams. And then I have my 21 grams of groundnut. And this is how you weigh on a scale. So the plate actually doesn't contribute to the weight at all if you clear it out before using.